welcome back to my channel. This is Prachi and today I will be giving you some very specific vegetarian food options that can help you get glowing, acne free and well behaved skin. So if you want to know more, just keep watching. Now, oily food obviously tastes very nice, but it also causes an increase in acne, rashes, especially during the summer months. So what you can do is, first of all, reduce the oily food because it just increases the acidic levels in your body. So reduce the oily food and then start having alkalizing foods. So about 4 big servings of fruits, 5 big servings of green vegetables like spinach and things like that can really transform your skin. When I'm talking about skin transformation, just let me tell you, if you go back and watch my channel like about 1.5 weeks back, in some of the videos I even showed my skin, it was behaving very badly. It was getting rashes and it's like really hot outside and I was having a lot of skin problems. If you see the videos, it's right there. Today I'm not wearing any foundation. This is how my skin is looking. Okay, so let me show you. I've rubbed my skin enough with cotton and now my camera will make that sound but as you can see, there is no foundation on my skin. This is how my skin is looking like right now. So obviously there has been like a lot of improvement, right? But I'll be very honest guys, I cannot have that many fruits and vegetables every day because my lifestyle is really messed up. Sometimes I'm not even home because I'm shooting and this and that. So what I am having, and this is not sponsored guys, when you discover something nice, you want to tell your friends about it. I discovered this randomly and then I asked my dietitian and she said it's okay. So I am having the Oziva Superfood Greens and Herbs. I'll talk about this more in detail later and in the description box below. One serving of this is equal to 10 servings of green vegetables. So for me, this has become like quite a diet must have now. It's very easy to consume. So yeah, more on that later. But right now what we need to remember is that avoid oily food at least as much as possible and start having foods which have alkalizing properties or something which will make up for it. Now there is an actual study on human evolution and get this, okay? When you have foods which are red and orange in color, fruits, vegetables which are red and orange in color, it gives you a beautiful glowing sun-kissed complexion. So when you were a child, your mom probably said things like eat lots of tomatoes, you will get tomato like red cheeks, and you believed it and you happily would eat the tomatoes. Well, parents do those things, they kind of make up these stories, but turns out your mom wasn't entirely wrong. So start having lots of tomatoes, carrots, pomegranate, watermelon is a great fruit that you can have in the summer season. Personally, I think pomegranate especially is something which deserves a lot of attention because if you consume pomegranate every single day for just 1 month, you will see a difference. You will see a very visible difference in your skin, I can guarantee you that. Personally, what I like to do is I have started having soup every night. So every night a tomato carrot soup, a big bowl is what I consume for dinner. It has also helped me with my skin. So start having lots of red and orange colored fruits and vegetables. Amla or Indian gooseberry. Now this is something which has been called as the fountain of youth. Not just by the modern day bloggers, but also in the ancient Indian sciences. Even today, if you see ancient Ayurvedic sciences, medicines and things like that, they all contain amla. Shampoos, creams, soaps, they all often contain amla. Because amla is first of all a powerhouse of vitamin C. It helps in building immunity for your body also, for your health also. It's very good. And it helps in preventing your body from aging too fast, which also shows on your skin. Most people, when they look at me and they guess my age, they guess that I'm at least 7 to 8 years younger than what I actually look like. Than what I actually am. A lot of you keep guessing my age, but you guess it all wrong because I'm much older than that. And that is also because I consume amla. Like during the winter season, I will have amla every day for 2-3 months. 1 amla every day with honey. Just in case you don't like amla at all because it has a very strong taste, start having vitamin C with lemon juice. Now this one is slightly more difficult to explain because see, it's not a very specific food option, but your body needs all kind of vitamins. For example, we were talking about vitamin C. Do you know vitamin C is used for absorption of so many nutrients? For example, if you have iron deficiency, you can start eating beetroot and things like that. But your body will not be able to take iron out of it if your body does not have vitamin C. So vitamin C, other vitamins, they're very important. You need to have a balanced diet. Eat your fruits, eat your vegetables, or like I just told you, if you can't do that like me, have something like this. A lot of people also take pills. You know, in foreign countries, especially in Western countries, multivitamin pills are very common. Almost everybody takes them. Personally, I don't like the idea of taking pills, because if I have to go and see a doctor and then start having it, I would much rather not have it. It sounds very artificial to me. So this is something which I have started taking, and I feel like this is something which I will continue taking for a very, very long time, because it has been a very good discovery. And you know, something like this can be like a complete meal in the for the snack time in the evening. You feel hungry. Instead of just having something random which is not healthy for you, have something like this. It's very safe. My dietitian has told me. Plus, kids who are above the age of 12 can start having it. So it contains things like spinach, green tea, something called spirulina. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. It has a lot of those things. So, you know, it's also vegan, by the way, so that is also a very nice thing. So it's a very well formulated formula which helps you. So the bottom line is, have all your nutrients, make sure they're all in place, because it will help your skin get better. It will also help your body get better. Now, if you're a non-vegetarian, egg is a very good option for you, and then you have all of these food options which are very rich in proteins. However, if you're a vegetarian, start having lots of dal, pulses, things like chana. You know, personally, I love making this chana salad. I just need to take some boiled chana, mix it with you know, tomatoes, cucumber, onion. You can add, subtract, whatever you like. To this, I add a little bit of chaat masala, and of course some salt and pepper, some mircha if you want, red chili powder. That's it. If you want, again, you can add a little bit of lemon juice, because like I told you, vitamin C. Try it for once, guys. It just tastes like chaat. And one big bowl of this is, first of all, rich in proteins, rich in so many vitamins, because you're eating cucumber, tomatoes and all those things. And it tastes amazing. So you can have a complete meal by just having this, and it's so great for your health. Vegetarians like myself are usually very, very high deficit in omega-3. Omega-3, if you have omega-3 deficiency, which is very common, it affects your health, it affects your brain health, heart health, and of course it also impacts your skin in a huge way. I'll explain the details of this later. But if you're a vegetarian, what you can start doing is, you can start having a little bit of chia seeds. Just use this in a bottle of water and drink this water. So chia seeds are very high in omega-3. You can start having flaxseed. I just kind of grind it into flaxseed powder, and I add it to my dal, vegetables, wherever I can add flaxseed powder. It's very easy to include this in your diet. You can also start eating walnuts if you like the taste of walnuts. Now, what happens, since we're talking about skin today, when you have omega-3 in abundance in your body, your skin is more elastic. So again, that improves your skin, you know, condition. If you're aging, it prevents wrinkles. Most people develop wrinkles very early these days. So your skin is elastic, it does not develop wrinkles. It also looks plump, it also looks healthier. You know, it just looks fresh, well maintained, healthy looking. So healthy, plump skin is a good thing, elastic skin is a good thing. So try to include omega-3 in whatever way that you can, whatever way that it suits you. And last but not the least, well, obviously I have to say this, consume lots of water, especially during the summer months, because it's really hot outside. Ideally, people will say have 8 to 10 glasses of water, but let's be honest guys, this is India. 8 to 10 glasses of water are nothing. And just talking about something a little uncomfortable, but I need to mention this. So when you go to pee, if there's a burning sensation, if you see that the pee is yellow in color or light yellow in color, that means you're not consuming enough water. The pee should be absolutely transparent, watery in color, okay? And there should be no burning sensation. So start having lots of water. I am consuming, like, I think easily 3-4 liters of water every day. I always keep a bottle of water right next to me. At night before I go off to sleep, I consume 1 liter of water just like that, because it feels a bit heavy after having that much of water, but then I'm going off to sleep, so it's okay. So have lots and lots of water guys, especially during the summer months, and keep a very close watch on the color of your pee. The moment it gets yellow, you know you're not having enough water. Just go and start having lots of water right then and there. And yeah, that's about it. Having water will detoxify your body, it will keep your skin, your body cool, and obviously help in dealing with pimples and acne, because detoxified, clean body helps your skin, right? So yes guys, that's all I wanted to share. Just remember, your skin is also an organ of your body. It is the largest organ of your body. So what you eat will impact. You can use all kinds of beauty products. Beauty products help, no doubt. But no matter how much money you spend on beauty treatments and expensive luxury items, sorry, my dog is going crazy, somebody is at the door. Anyways, keeping that aside, you can use all the beauty products in the world, but if your skin is not taken care of with the right foods, it's an organ of your body, it will impact your skin. So eat the right things, and if you have any specific food options like I shared today, any specific things, please share them in the comment section below and share your reason and logic, because when you talk about health, it's very important to go a little deeper in detail and talk about why it helps. And if you're like me, if you can't include everything in your diet, just have something like a supplement like this one. I will put the link in the description box below. If you want to refer to it, you can have whatever you want. I'm just sharing my personal recommendation, and I'm so scared, like these days I'm very scared of recommending things, because people will be like, Prachi, I'm getting this comment a lot on my channel, Prachi, you hit 1 million subscribers and you're only doing sponsored posts. Guys, go back to my channel about 2 years back, okay, and you will see that I was actually doing more sponsored posts back then. You can just read the disclaimers, you will know how many sponsored posts I was doing back then. Right now, honestly, if I tell you, I have actually become a lot more conscious of doing sponsored posts, because people keep asking these kind of questions. Previously people didn't ask, so if I liked something, I was happy to endorse it. Now I have to be happy, I have to do 10 times more research, and I have to keep letting people know that this is sponsored and this is not sponsored. So things have changed a lot on YouTube, right? As a YouTube, I'm just sharing a little bit of my side of the story with you all, because I want to clarify this. So yes, I do write disclaimers, and in this case there's no disclaimer because I'm sharing what I'm consuming actually. So just letting you know guys, you can have whatever you want. This is my recommendation. So I'll share the link and disclaimers and details, everything every time in the description box below. And yes, in the meanwhile, while you go through the description box, also don't forget to go through the like button, the subscribe button, the bell icon button, and keep coming back to Superfast Style for more. Thank you so much for watching guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now, and bye bye.